Many ANSYS users don't even know that SpaceClaim actually has a mesh tab, and that is because it is disabled by default. If you have opened the SpaceClaim and couldn't find any meshing tool, don't worry. They are still there, just hidden. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to activate the mesh tab in a SpaceClaim step by step. This is especially useful for CFD and FEM users who want to create or edit their mesh directly inside the SpaceClaim before exporting to ANSYS Fluent or Mechanical. So let's get started. So first start by opening the ANSYS SpaceClaim. You will notice that only these tabs like the design, sketch, display or these others are visible here, and mesh tab is missing from the top toolbar. So to activate it, first you can go to the file and then open the SpaceClaim options here by clicking on it. So here in the SpaceClaim option, you just simply go to the customize here, and then under the customize, click on the ribbon tabs, so you can activate or deactivate any tabs here. So here, as you can see, the mesh is disabled, so I just simply click on it and then press on OK. So after that, you will see this tab will be appear, so you can go directly here and use this on and off tab button here to activate this mesh tab here. So I just go through a simple mesh generation here. To do so, first of all, I will select the physics type, which is a fluid dynamics. So I will click here and select the physics tabs here. Then I can add and use actually this add or edit button here by clicking on it, and then select this fluid. So here there are different options, but this is not in the content of this video. I will just generate the mesh. So for the element size, I will just change it to 5 millimeter, for example, and then press on OK. So as you can see, the mesh has been generated here. So there are different options. You can actually modify your mesh by these options also here, and you can see there's a blocking and the fluid and free block here. So that's the way. So you can activate the mesh tab here. So in the different video tutorial, I can go and show you how we can actually work with these tabs. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.